Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly rated travel companions for your little ones, the Dream on Me Lightweight Coast Rider Stroller. If you're on the hunt for the best lightweight stroller for toddlers, you're in the right place. This stroller is not only compact and easy to use, but it's also designed with your child's comfort in mind, making it an ideal choice for family outings, especially at theme parks or while traveling. First off, let's talk about what makes this stroller stand out. The Coast Rider is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 13.5 pounds. This makes maneuvering through crowded spaces or tight aisles a breeze. The aluminum frame adds durability without compromising on weight, ensuring that you have a sturdy stroller that won't weigh you down. One of the most convenient features is the one-hand easy fold mechanism. With just a flick of your wrist, it folds inward like a book. This is a game changer for busy parents who need to quickly store the stroller or get it in and out of the car. The Coast Rider also offers adjustable handles and push bars. This adaptability means that whether you're tall or short, you can find the perfect height to push comfortably. Plus, the soft ride wheels ensure that your child has a smooth experience, making it perfect for both city strolls and park adventures. When it comes to your child's comfort, the plush seating and 275-degree viewing angle allow them to take in the world around them. And safety is paramount. This stroller comes equipped with a 5-point safety harness and meets all safety standards, so you can rest assured that your little one is secure. What's even more impressive is its versatility. The Coast Rider can easily convert from a stroller to a scooter or rider, making it a fun option for your child as they grow. It meets the size requirements for Disney and other theme parks, which makes it a practical choice for family trips. Now, if you're a parent who loves to travel, you'll appreciate that the Coast Rider is designed to fit into your lifestyle seamlessly. Its lightweight nature and compact design mean it can easily be packed into a trunk or carried around without hassle. Overall, the Dream on Me Lightweight Coast Rider Stroller combines convenience, comfort, and safety in one sleek package. Whether you're heading out for a day at the zoo or navigating the airport, this stroller is ready for the adventure. If you're looking for the best lightweight stroller for your toddler, this one certainly deserves your attention. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. See you next time.